Hello everyone, welcome to this urban Coco pleated school skirt review that I purchased off of Amazon. I purchased this skirt for about $20 to $30. I don't recall the exact price. And I got the color wine red, and according to the size chart, I have a 28-inch waist and a 34-inch hips. I was a size large, so I ordered size large. When I received it in the mail, it was actually pretty wrinkly, which is to be expected. So I had to steam out the wrinkles. The material itself is a stiffer polyester, not really soft to the touch. I found the waistband actually pretty thick, surprisingly. I'd say it was a good 2 to 3 inches in width. And the material was scrunched all around it, so it was really stretchy. The inside was lined with a satin material slip, and the color was definitely true to the picture on Amazon. I love this beautiful deep wine red color. Here's how it looks on. As you can see, it falls above the knee on me, and I am 5'5" in height. And it does have some flow as I move around. This is advertised as a high-waisted skirt, but I found that because of the bulky waistband, it did not flatter my body at all, and it actually looked better being worn mid-rise on me. Personally, I think the material of the skirt was too heavy on my body and it did not flatter me very well, but I think it would look good on other body types, probably bigger frames. And overall, it does have many really good reviews on Amazon. So if you're looking for a heavier material pleated schoolgirl skirt that doesn't come up too high on your legs, I think you'll be happy with this one based on the reviews of other purchasers. But like I said, I don't think that it suited my type of body, and if you have a similar body type as me, this is probably how it's going to look on you. If you guys enjoy Amazon fashion reviews, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have lots to come. Thanks for watching.